Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Today is a very interesting topic that I am going to take. That is essay writing. Essay ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Essay ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಬಂಧ. So by listening this word itself, sometimes we will be like, prabandha, it's too big. How will I write? The most important thing for prabandha is, makla, the vocabulary. The more you know the vocabulary, the easy is you can write the essay. And also the content that you think about this topic is very important. So for this, what is that you have to start preparing yourself is, every day take some random topic and try to think about that topic, what you can say about that topic. Stand in front of mirror and tell all the things that you know about that topic. For example, we'll talk about a curtain. Okay na? So from morning you will select one topic. Okay na? Belige one topic select madi. Make sure throughout the day you collect n number of a point about the curtain. So for example, I have seen different varieties of a curtain. There are blockout curtains, there are transparent curtains, there are different colors of a curtain, different height of a curtains there, different length of a curtains there. So they different kind of a hooks the curtain only. So all these things, try to just put it in your head. Make sure when you come to home, after all your work is done, stand in front of mirror and tell all those points that you recall, that you thought in your mind about the curtain. So do this about try madi, start with one topic and increase the topic daily. So if you have thought curtain for today, tomorrow make sure that you will take two topics. Like one is a bike and one is a car. Okay na? So next time take it for ocean and take it fishes. Itara. Okay na? 3, 4, 5 itra topic madi. So what is the use of this? You will start recollecting the information about the topic. Okay na? So this is one of the activity where you start recollecting or collection of information. Okay, so once you have collected the information, you will just throw it in front of mirror. Okay, next time main madi, try to put it in a format. For example, first you talk about advantage, disadvantage. Okay na? Next you talk about something good features, advantage, disadvantage. Then what do you think about, finally what do you think about that thing? So itra try to give the structure. Okay, so first you will just put up the points. Next you will try to give a structure for that point. So adanellanu one structure madi. Okay na? So this will help you. Amele try to observe which are the important words that you will repeatedly use in a essay writing. Start with English. If you are good with English, make sure that you will take it from English. For example, English alli ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We'll use because, that, therefore, also, about, increasingly, conclusion, finally, firstly, secondly. So we use all these kind of words, right? So try to make a note of all these words, which will help you in the essay writing. Okay, so this is the first part of essay writing. So I'm just giving the information. There will be a multiple series of essay writing which will help you to learn essay writing. Okay, so idu first part of essay writing. Okay, so idanella ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Then finally come to the proper topic of essay. Start writing in essay in your comfortable language. If you are good in English, write it in English. If you are good in Hindi, write it in Hindi. If you are good in any other language, write in that language, in your language. Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, whatever the language it is, try writing in that language first. Okay na? And slowly start thinking in your mother tongue. Not just in English, try to think in your mother tongue as well. So you might write in English, but your mother tongue might be Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Urdu, or anything, alva? So try thinking that. So that gives you a different perspective. That is what we need in Kannada as well. Okay na? So this is the how you will start. The first is collection of information, then you will structure it, then you will come to the main topic, then you write essay in your language. Write essay in any language. Write essay in any language. Then think about that essay. Think about essay in your mother tongue. In your mother tongue. Very important. Okay, na? So these are the few steps that you have to follow for sure in a essay writing. Essay andrenu prabandha. Prabandha 10 marks barutte. So it will be for 10 marks always. And you have to write a little lengthier one, and it should have the proper information. I can't just write a song and drama in between, Allah. So it should be very structured way, always prabandha. Okay, and when someone is reading your prabandha, they should get involved and they should be like, they are into that topic ಇರಬೇಕು. So ಆ ಥರ you should be able to mesmerize, hypnotize the person that when you are writing a prabandha. So that's how the quality writing that you should develop with the prabandha. And with all these things comes is your vocabulary learning. The good you learn the vocabulary is very important. You have the good hold on a vocabulary that helps you a lot in essay writing. Okay, na? So this is a first series of essay writing, just a glimpse of essay writing, how you should start preparing yourself for essay writing. Okay, I hope you start with this one. The very first important is collecting the informations. Okay, na? Start from today itself or from tomorrow itself, and do let me know in the comment section for which topic you have started to collecting the informations. I'll meet you all soon in the second part of our essay writing, where we will learn few vocabularies which is very essential in our prabandha, in our essay writing. Okay, na? So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Namaste.
From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kavunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.